Nice. All right, see you then.
All right. Dude, kickback's on for Friday.
For sure?
For sure.
Yo, we got everything for the kickback? We need anything else?
Nah, man, I think we're all set.
Oh man, can't see anything over here on the Chaz.
The what?
The Chaz. The Chaz Lounge.
Bro, I can tell you're high-key stressing about this. I'll tell you what,
I'm gonna grease it over to food and stuff, grab a wall mount.
be perfect.
Food and stuff?
Yeah, what's the problem? We can get the wall mount and the cups.
I don't with basic ass wall mounts, bitch. I'm starting to think you don't burn.
You don't think I burn? You trying to square up right now?
All right, let's see what we can find online.
Hey, yo, Sean Daddy said this one's money well spent, so this will take care of it.
Oh, for sure?
For sure. All right, bought it. Kickback save, man.
All right, man. The kickback's gonna be so tight. But what about the cups?